So why choose Westwind at Lancaster New City? Because Westwind at Lancaster New City offers a very unique concept, and I call that Condo Vision. What do you mean by Condo Vision? When you stay at Westwind at Lancaster New City, you get to enjoy the comfort and the luxury of living in a condominium, yet you can also enjoy the relaxing spaciousness of subdivision life. Yan ang tinatawag nating Condo Vision feature. Kasi pag nakatira ka sa Westwind, you get to enjoy the comforts of living in a condominium, which includes yung meron kang sariling amenities sa loob ng condominium mo, katulad ng function rooms, mga swimming pool, and at the same time, ang na-enjoy mo sa condominium, di ba, ito yung security for the residents kasi merong nakabantay sa'yo 24 hours. At yung part naman ng subdivision life, because Westwind is right inside Lancaster New City, one of the biggest subdivisions in Cavite today. At yung subdivision na ito, malawak yung space. Fresh yung hangin, walang pollution, and at the same time, accessible sa marami ring amenities ng isang subdivision. Meron din siyang sariling mga recreational areas, meron siyang clubhouse, may swimming pool, at may malawak na commercial area. Tapos nandun pa rin yung educational institutions. So yun ang tinatawag nating Condo Vision concept ng Westwind at Lancaster New City. You get to enjoy the best of both worlds. Imagine, nakatira ka sa maayos na condominium, enjoying the luxury and comforts, yet you are so relaxed inside the subdivision Lancaster New City. So it's my pleasure to invite everyone to visit Westwind at Lancaster New City through the help of our salespreneurs in Green Circle Realty.